Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. It's been a long time since we've made one. It's a bit frosty this morning, but we're just starting to come out of winter now. So I thought it's about time to get this beast back on the road. So today's video is a bit different. What we're doing is a detailing video. So we're going to be using Sam's Detailing. Oh, thank you, assistant. So these guys make a range of products specifically to detailing. If you haven't heard of them, check this stuff out. So as you can see, the bike is incredibly dirty at the moment. It's been locked away for a few months, all of winter, but we're going to get it back on the road. So yeah, we're going to be using these 5 products, starting off with the snow foam. So yeah, let's get right into the detailing. Alright, so we've just done the snow foam over this now, just get rid of all the main dirt. Next up we're doing the shampoo, which is just to get a cloth, get all those last bits of dirt off before we start polishing or waxing or anything like that. So let's do that now. Alright, so we've just done the shampooing. The bike is clean now. I guess some close-ups on this. Look at this. Clean, nice and clean. Rinse all the dirt off. The next step is to apply this ceramic boost. So essentially what this does is give it that nice hydrophobic effect that we all know and love. So the way this works is you spray it on and you wash it off straight away with water. So we're going to get doing that now. So once we're finished with the ceramic coating, you can see that a lot of it's dried the water off. You get that nice beading effect. Just get a nice big microfiber, just dry off the last few drops of water there, just to try and get a nice dry finish. Right, we've just dried this all down, patted it down. As you can see, it's nice and dry. It's already looking pretty shiny just from the ceramic booster, which is really nice product. But anyway, just one final thing before we do the last wax, and that is to use this glass cleaner. So this is just for the mirrors, any sort of glass bit on there, but on this we're pretty much going to use it on the mirrors. So you just spray it down, microfiber, give it a rub. Alright, so we've just done the glass cleaner, so the mirrors are nice and clean now. You can see how reflective they are, super shiny. And now for the final step, which is to apply the ceramic wax. This is the bit I'm most excited about. So 2 microfibers, one to buff it in, one to polish it off when it's done. Let's do it. Ooh. Ooh. More than a few drops, I think, but anyway. And then work this into here. Like this. Buff it in. Oh, it smells nice actually. So once we've allowed it to cure for a bit, just let it set. Nice clean microfiber on top. Just get a polish going up there. Now the shine comes out when you do this second bit. Alright guys, so that's how you detail a motorbike. The bike's nice and clean now, ready to be used. But yeah, these guys, Sam's Detailing, so they reached out to me and said they wanted to send me some products. And I do get quite a few companies reaching out to me, but I don't normally say yes to them because it's not something I'm interested in. But detailing is something that I was very much interested in. And you know, their products are really professional, looks really good. So yeah, I've just tested out their whole kit, and just from a completely honest point of view, I think there's two products that I really like out the kit. So one of them being this one here, thank you. So this was the ceramic wax, and I just thought it was a really nice liquid wax you put on, buff it in. The shine you get at the end is really nice, and it smells absolutely amazing. I don't know what it is, but it just smells so good. You've got to try it out. The second one is this ceramic boost. So this really surprised me. So this is basically something you can spray on and you wash it off straight away, but the hydrophobic properties that you get from it straight away are really nice. You get some really nice beading, and it's really instant, really cool. So definitely recommend these two at least out of the 5. But the rest of them performed, you know, really nicely as well. The snow foam was nice, the shampoo was nice, but these two definitely really good. If you do want to get your hands on a sample pack, I have sort of sorted out a deal with them. So if you use the code DAN5, I'll put a link in the description, you'll get some money off as well. So I'll put a bit more info in the description, but just in case you're interested in getting into detailing, these are made for cars as well as bikes, so you can use it if you're into detailing cars. Check out the link below. But anyway, look out for the next video where hopefully we'll be back on the bike again. And thanks for watching, we'll see you then. Peace.
This is land on the side.